Hi children, today I am going to explain about kinds of mixers. Kinds of mixtures. Kinds of mixers means is nothing but classification of mixers. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixers. Total discussion now. Homogeneous and heterogeneous mixers. Total explanation. First one, homogeneous. Homogeneous mixers. So, in homogeneous mixers, first one, gaseous homogeneous mixers. Gaseous homogeneous mixers means gas in gas, liquid in gas, solid in gas. Are you understand now? Here the mixer depends upon which one is taken as solvent. Solvent means which is the major here and which is the minor here. So the major one is gas. Now first case is gas dissolved in gas or mixed in gas. Liquid is mixed in gas. Third one is solid is mixed in gas. So first category in gaseous or gases. Gaseous, okay, of course. Gaseous homogeneous mixers it is. First one, gas in gas. Gas in gas. Which are the examples? We know very well. Air is a gas in gas mixers. Why? N2 is the major, highest percentage, and remaining gases are not compared with nitrogen very less. That's why N2 acts as a solvent. Solvent means which can dissolve anything into it. Remaining are all considered as the solute. Right? That's why air is a gaseous homogeneous mixer, and also which category? Gas in gas mixer type. And one more, second one. See the second one, Anna. Hydrogen gas plus NH3 gas. This mixer is also gas in gas type of mixer. Gas in gas type of mixer. Okay, in this case, NH3 is dissolved in H2. First one completed in gaseous homogeneous mixer. Second one, liquid in gas. Liquid in gas. So liquid in gas means we know very well water vapor. Water vapor. When you heat the water, it is evaporates and combined with air. So water vapor in air. This is also a mixer. And what type of mixer? Gaseous homogeneous mixer. And in that gaseous homogeneous mixer, which category? Liquid gas type of category. Okay, and third one, solid in gas. Solid in gas. Now, solid in gas means camphor in air. Camphor in air means camphor is a solid substance. When you combust the camphor or heat the camphor, it is directly converted into gas and it is mixed with air. So it is solid in gas. Solid in gas type of gaseous homogeneous mixer. So gaseous homogeneous mixer type completed. Now come to the second one. Liquid. Second one, liquid. All of you write the CW for this one. Liquid homogeneous mixers. Okay, Randy? Liquid homogeneous mixers. First category, see this. Gas in liquid is the first category. liquid in liquid is the second category, solid in liquid is the third category. Right? Now examples for this one. Say this, gas in liquid. Gas in liquid means soda, cool drinks. Okay, soda, cool drinks. In soda, carbon dioxide gas is present. That carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water. Even in cool drinks also, carbon dioxide gas is mixed in water. But in cool drinks, extra fruits type of cream is also added. Some colors are also added. For example, Thumbs Up, Limca, 7up, the colors difference, color also different. So why the color is different means that is for adding the different colored dyes. So in soda and cool drinks, carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water. And few more examples in our material. Sulfur dioxide gas is dissolved in water, and ammonia gas is dissolved in water. Okay, these two are also examples for gas in liquid type of liquid homogeneous mixes. These are all homogeneous mixes. Right? Now come to the second category. Second category is liquid in liquid type. Liquid in liquid type. Liquid in liquid type means take a liquid, it is dissolved in the liquid. We know very well. Alcohol plus water. Alcohol plus water. You know that drinkers, alcohol drinkers are there. Those are addicted. Those are first prepared alcohol plus water. Don't we know that direct alcohol is very dangerous to health. So that's why they are diluted. Diluted means alcohol plus water. It is a liquid in liquid type of solution. Okay, Randy. One more is there, that is petrol. Petrol plus kerosene. Petrol plus kerosene. Petrol kerosene, it is also liquid homogeneous. Why? When you mixing these two, the two are combined and gives one phase only. Okay, I think you have one doubt in your brain. Where is in your brain? Sir, what about petrol and water, sir? Petrol and water is a heterogeneous, not homogeneous. Okay, but petrol and kerosene, these two belongs to the same category, means these two are organic compounds. That's why these two are miscible to each other. Okay, next one, solid in liquid. Solid in liquid, that is salt, NaCl plus H2O. NaCl plus H2O means NaCl is a solid, common salt or table salt. Okay, this NaCl is dissolved in water, it gives a salt solution. It is also solution and a homogeneous mixer. And what type of? Solid and liquid type of homogeneous mixer. And another one most important is iodine plus alcohol. It is also solid in liquid because iodine is a solid. Iodine is a solid material. It is dissolved in the alcohol. Alcohol is a liquid. Okay. We know that on woods we applied iodine. One subject that iodine, it is a liquid. But original iodine, I2 is a solid. But you are applied on the wounds, that is liquid. Why? Already iodine, solid iodine is dissolved in the alcohol. It is a homogeneous mixer. This is called tincture of iodine. What is this? Tincture of this mixer is called tincture of iodine. Okay, Randy? This is solid in liquid type of solution. Right? Second category is also completed. Liquid homogeneous mixers. Now third category. Solid homogeneous mixers. solid homogeneous mixtures. Again, three categories: gas in solid, liquid in solid, solid in solid. Okay, sir? Now, explanation about these three. Listen, Nana, carefully. Gas in solid. Sir, is it possible, sir? How gas is dissolved in solid, sir? I will give one best example to you. Sir, once you take a wall, take a glass of water, pour on the wall, what you observe? That water molecules goes inside the solid. Why? Even wall contains nearly 27% of the empty space. Not only wall, if you take any solid material in the universe, each solid contains nearly 25% of the empty space. Why empty space is present means we know that how the solid materials exist. This type of arrangement explained in our lower classes. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. See this. This is empty. Empty space is available. That empty space is occupied by gases. Then it is called gas in solid type of mixtures. Gas in solid type of mixtures. And example for this one is hydrogen plus palladium. Palladium is a metal. It is a solid material. Hydrogen is a gas. This hydrogen gas occupies the empty space present in the palladium metal. Okay, Randy? So it is possible. It is possible. Now come to the second one. Liquid in solid type of mixtures. Liquid in solid type of homogeneous mixtures means, sir, liquid, of course, already gas occupies the empty space present in the solid means it is also possible. It is also possible. Now, Hg plus Na. Hg plus Na. Hg is a liquid, mercury. We observed in the thermometer, mercury. Actually, mercury is a metal. Maximum all the metals are solids except mercury, and one more element, gallium, is there. Gallium is actually solid. If temperature is raised to above 30 degrees centigrade, it is also converted to liquid. So mercury is at any temperatures, it is a liquid. That's why which is the liquid metal means that is mercury. This is the correct answer. So mercury plus sodium. Sodium is a metal, solid. Mercury is a metal but liquid. This liquid occupies empty space present in the solid metal sodium. And most important point for this one, if mercury is combined with any metal, it is called amalgam. It is called amalgam or amalgams. Very important. If mercury is combined with any metal, that mixture is called amalgams. Now, third category, solid in solid. Solid in solid, last class I explained already about this one. Gold ornaments, Au plus Ag, gold plus silver, or gold plus copper. These two are homogeneous mixtures. And two more I will give examples to you, but I will give one task to you. Which metals are present in these two? You have to find out. Okay, ask your parents or search anywhere, but you have to complete this one. Those are brass and bronze. Brass and bronze. Brass and bronze. Both brass and bronze these two are also homogeneous solid mixtures. Brass contains only metals, bronze also contains only metals. These two are also metals. That's why these are all called alloys. What's are alloys? Alloy means metals are combined together. That is called alloy. Okay, Randy. This is about solid homogeneous mixtures. So total 3. So first homogeneous mixtures. Total how many types, Nana? Gaseous, liquid and solid. In gaseous 3 types, liquid 3 types, solid 3 types. In gaseous, gas in gas, liquid in gas, solid in gas. In liquids, gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid. Third one, solid, gas in solid, liquid in solid and solid in solid. So homogeneous mixtures explanation completed. Next one, heterogeneous mixtures. All of you write this one. So homogeneous completed, Nana. Next one, heterogeneous mixtures. In heterogeneous mixtures, very less types are there, very less types. Actually, in homogeneous mixtures, total 9 types are there, total 9 types. But in heterogeneous, very less types. Why? So gases are not participate here. Gases are not participate in heterogeneous mixtures. That's why very less. Heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, Randy. Heterogeneous mixtures. First category, liquid in liquid category. Liquid in a liquid category. Sir, I already explained to you. Liquid in liquid means water plus alcohol, homogeneous. Petrol plus kerosene is also homogeneous. Now come to this one. Oil plus water. Oil plus water. Kerosene plus water. Kerosene plus water, these two are heterogeneous. And one more, carbon disulfide and water. This mixture is also heterogeneous because these mixtures are immiscible. Just one is float on the another. Right? Second one, solid in liquid. Solid in liquid. Examples are, very simple example is sand plus water. Yes, it is visible. 2 different layers we observed. Sand plus water mixture. Okay, because sand particles settle at the bottom of the glass. If you take glass of water, add sand to it, that sand particles are settled at the bottom of the glass. So 2 different layers we can observe with our naked eye. That's why it is a heterogeneous mixture. And one more example is acid, sulfur plus H2O. Sulfur actually it is available in earth crust as acid. That's why acid plus H2O. Mostly sulfur is acid only. Okay, octaatomic acid plus H2O. It is also heterogeneous mixtures. These two not combined. It is a solid. H2O is a liquid. Last one, solid in solid. Solid in solid means charcoal plus salt. Charcoal means in Telugu it is boggu. Wood charcoal means if you take any wood material, burn it, it gives ash to us. That ash is a charcoal. Coconut charcoal, carbon charcoal, so many charcoals are available. Animal charcoal means after burning the animal we observe the ash. That is an animal charcoal. So charcoal plus salt. Both are solids, but these two are not. This is white color. This is almost whitish black. Sometimes complete black also there. Okay, this one we can mix, but we can separate very easily. Okay, ready? Right? Heterogeneous mixer. Next one more example. Iron plus acid. Iron plus acid. Sulfur. Iron and sulfur. This is also heterogeneous mixer. So in heterogeneous mixers only 3 types are available. Why? Gases are not possible for formation of heterogeneous mixer. That is the reason. That's why 3 are eliminated. And in this liquid, not gas in liquid is present. In solid okay, but liquid in solid, gas in solid not possible for heterogeneous. Okay, means the gas in solid, liquid in solid means they must be go inside and occupy the empty space present in the solid. So then it is considered as the homogeneous. That is the reason. Okay, Rana? So these are the examples and explanation about heterogeneous mixers. Now each and every student, I will give one task to you. Add two examples for taught by your own knowledge. Okay, ready? Think yourself and add 2 examples for each and everything. So how many total? Total nearly 12. Nearly 12. See this. First one, in homogeneous, gas in gas, liquid in gas, solid in gas. Write 2 examples for extra examples for these 3. 2 extra examples. Next, gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid. Write 2 examples, extra examples for these 3. Next task is gas in solid. It is difficult, not easy for you, but such. Liquid in solid and solid in solid. Add extra 2 examples. Ask your friends or ask your brothers or sisters, ask your parents or search anywhere, but add yourself by gaining the subject. Next, this is for homogeneous. Now heterogeneous. Heterogeneous taught how many models now? Liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, okay, solid in solid. Each one add 2 extra examples. 2 extra examples. This is about kinds of mixers. Very important, and examples are most important. For example, one example is given to you. You must be identify the what type of mixer it is. What type of means not only homogeneous and heterogeneous, and also you must be identify the which category among these, or which category among these. In homogeneous, which category, and heterogeneous, which category. Okay, Randy? That's very important to this one. Not only for mixers, this is also classification of solutions. Because solution is a homogeneous mixer. We will learn in future. Okay, Randy? Right. Completed today class. Thank you very much.